How can I approach my boss or colleague at work about racist practices, actions, or language within the organization? If you notice racist practices or actions at any level of your job, make sure that you document it. It's important to have concrete evidence when possible. Then, recognizing that there may be many variables at play in a workplace environment that can make speaking up complicated, reach out to other coworkers who you trust. There is real strength in numbers. Be mindful not to place this burden solely on your coworkers of color, but reach out to any colleague you believe to be like-minded. Confide in them about the racist practices, actions, or language that you've noticed. Ask them if they've noticed these too, and ask them if they will support you in speaking up against this racism. If it's a fellow coworker who is perpetuating racist language or actions, you may wish to speak directly to the individual about what they've said or what they've done, either one-on-one or with your coworkers. Be mindful to not be antagonistic, referencing our other video about how to speak to people about racism and white privilege.
If the racism persists, then you should speak to HR, following the necessary internal protocols, and voice your concerns, citing the evidence that you have. While navigating interpersonal relationships in a workplace can be difficult and complicated, it is important to know that you have the power to say something every time something is hurtful, no matter where the racism stems from.